Morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. This is your third maths class. Previous class we have to learn about the basic operation, basic arithmetic operation. So what are the basic arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we have to learn about the exercise 1.2 which deals with the arithmetic operations. Okay, the third sum is find the sum. The first operation is 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So we have to take LCM. Don't have to take LCM because 5 and 5 is the same denominator. So we have to addition properly. So okay, 7 plus 3 divided by, so the same denominator, so we have to directly put in a 1 5 is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 2s are. Okay, so the value is 2. Then the second separation 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. Okay, 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. We have to compulsory have take the LCM 5 and 7. Okay, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Okay, how can we do? 7 by 5, 5 ones are 7, then 7 ones are and 7. Then 5 into 7 should be 35. So LCM is 35. Okay, 7 by 5 into divided by is equal to, so inga 35 vandirukku. So compulsory we have to take in 35. So we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 tables la 7 35 how many times? 7 times. We have to write the denominator 7. Obviously you can write the numerator also 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So the value is 49 by 35. Then we have to take 5 by 7. 5 by 7 into is equal to, so we have to get 35. So 7 tables la 35 how many times? 5 times. So obviously denominator should be have to write 5, numerator also we have to write 5. Okay, 5. 5 5 is 25. So 25 by 35. So we have to take addition by 35 plus 25 by 35. So is equal to 49 by 25 divided by 35. So is equal to 49 plus 35. We have to add it. 49 plus 25, 9 plus 5 is 40, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 7. Okay, so the value is 74 by 35. Okay, did you understand student? Fourth sum, we have to take fourth sum, subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. So we have to subtract it. Okay, minus 8 by 44 from minus 7 by 11. So we have to write minus 7 by 11 minus 8 by 44. We have to write this way only. Okay, then minus 17 by 11, minus into minus should be plus 8 by 44. We have to take LCM 11 and 44. We have to take LCM 11 and 44. This easily method. Okay, so 11 minus 17 by 11. So 11 tables la 44 how many times? 4 times. So we 44 la 44 tables la 44 how many times? 1 times. So we have to take the LCM 44 by 4. Numerator, denominator we have to write 4, numerator also we have to write 4. Okay, plus 8 by 44 into 1 by, we have to multiply 1 by 1, minus 17 into 4. So we have to multiply it, minus 17 into 4, 4 7s are 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. 6 ones, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2 6. So minus 68 by 4 into 11 is 44 plus 8 ones are 8, 44 into 4 1 is 44. Then is equal to minus 68 plus 8 divided by, so denominator always obviously same denominator, so we have to write 44 is equal to minus 60 by 44. Okay, we have to cancel it in 11 tables. In 11 tables or 4 tables obviously 4 11s are 4, 15s are 60. So the value is 15 by 11. So the next sum we have to evaluate in first separation, fifth sum. Okay, 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3. It is actually we have to cancel it, multiplication cancel. Okay, 3 ones are 3 3s are. 11 ones are 11, 11 12s are 132. We have to multiply in 11 into 12 is 132 is equal to minus 3 by 12 into minus 1 by 1. Then is equal to 3 ones are, so this is not a 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So we have to write 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus into 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 by 4 into 1 is 4. So we have to write minus 1 by 4. Okay. Next we have to move to sixth sum, divide. The first operation is minus 21 by 5 divided by minus 7 by minus 10. So we have to write minus 21 by 5. By means is nothing but this is divided by, okay, minus 7 by minus 10 is equal to, minus and minus should be cancelled. So we have to write minus 21 by 5 divided by 7 by 10. So divided by is nothing but, so we have to divide this values and this value, okay. First we have to divide 21 by 5 whole divided by 7 by 10, okay. So whole divided by, so we have to write the first number, rational number 21 by 5. So whole divided by 7 by 10, we have to reciprocal the number. So we have to reciprocal the number. So inga divide lende, so multiple reciprocal ஆகும்போது நமக்கு we have to take multiplication, we have to get multiplication, divide to multiplication, we have to get multiplication, and the numerator and denominators should be changed, okay. Numerator la irukka, denominator la irukka 10, we have to go in the numerator, and numerator la irukka 7 vandu denominator poidum by 7. Then we have to cancel it, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. So the value is minus 3 by 1 into 2 by 1. So minus 3 into 2 is 6 by 1. So minus into plus is minus. So the value is 1 is not a value. This is not a matter. So this is value is minus 6. Okay. Next we have to move to seventh sum. Find the a plus b divided by a minus b. If first operation is a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3. Just we have to substitute the a value and b value. So the value is a plus b divided by a minus b. Okay. Value is a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3. So we have to find it. First a plus b divided by a minus b. So we have to write, then a value is 1 by 2 plus b value is 2 by 3 divided by a value is 1 by 2, b value is 2 by 3. Then we have to take LCM 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. Then the LCM of 2 comma 3 is obviously 6. 2 ones are, then 3 ones are. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 2 comma 3, the LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6. So we have to take LCM 1 by 2. So into, so 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So we have to take LCM. So into, so 6 for no. So denominator we have to get 6. So 2 tables in denominator, 2 tables is 6 3 times. So obviously numerator 3, we have to write the numerator also. We have to write 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 tables are 3 2s are 6. 2 tables are denominator we have to write 2. Numerator also we have to write 2. Divided by, so 1 by 2 has the same procedure. 3 we have to write numerator 3 minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Okay, is equal to 3 ones are 3 by 6 plus 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6 divided by 3 ones are 3, 2 threes are 6 minus 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. So then we have to write 3 plus 4 by 6 plus 6. 3 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So we have to write 3 plus 4. Denominator should be same. So we have to write 6 only. Divided by 3 minus 4 denominator is the same, so we have to write 1 and 1 6 is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 by 6 divided by 3 minus 4 is 1. So we have to take a bigger number sign is obviously a minus, so we have to write minus by 1 by 6. So this is the same sum, previous sum la paathom illaya, 7 by 6 divided by whole divided by minus 1 by 6. So we have to write 7 by 6 whole divided by minus 1 by 6. Then 7 by 6. So இது reciprocal அந்த சைடு போகும்போது denominator ல இருக்கிறது numerator வந்துரும், numerator ல இருக்கிறது denominator வந்துரும். So you have to write 1 by 6 is 6 by minus 1 is equal to 6 and 6 should be cancelled. 7 by minus 1 is nothing but this is a minus 7. Okay. So we have to write minus 7. Next we have to move to example 1.21 simplify. Okay. So the question is 4 by 3 minus into minus of 3 by 2 plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 30 by 12 plus minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. This is the question for the simplify. Okay, first we have to move to the first part 4 by 3 minus of 3 by 2. So we have to write, listen carefully children, 4 by 3 minus into minus. So minus into minus should be obviously plus because the sign is same. So we have to add the two rational numbers. Okay, two rational numbers. So minus into minus should be plus 3 by 2. Okay, plus. So this value minus 5 by 3 divided by 30 by 12. So we have to, so divide, this is divide, so we have to take the whole divided by 30 by 12. Okay, whole divided by 30 by 12 plus this value minus 12 by 9. We have to write this value as the same 16. And then we have to take this part, have to take LCM. Okay, 3 and 2 are there. So we have to take the LCM 3 and 2. So LCM of 3 and 2 is, so we have to LCM it 2 tables 3, 2 ones are, then 3 ones are and 3 ones are. 2 into 3 is obviously 6. So LCM is 2 and LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So we have to take LCM is 6. So 3 is there. So we have to, which number? We have to multiply it into 3. So the value is 6. So we have to take 2. 2 3s are 6. We have to write 2. Then denominator we have to write 2. Numerator always we have to write 2. Okay. Plus 3 by 2 into divided by, so 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into, so we have to take denominator always take 3 6. So we have to multiply with 3. So denominator also 3. So numerator also we have to write 3 plus this portion 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 and the whole divided by 30. No, whole divided by 30 by 12. So we have to change to reciprocal. So change agumbodhu divide la irukadhu obviously multiple agidum. Okay, minus 5 by 3 into, obviously numerator and denominator will be changed. Okay, denominator la irukadhu numerator poidum, adhe mari numerator la irukra number denominator poidum. Okay, we have to write 12 by 30 plus the value is minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. Okay, did you understand children? Listen carefully, the next portion 4 by 3. So the value is 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. So we have to write 8, 3 2s are 6. Then plus 3 3s are 9. Then plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 3s are 6. Okay, 9 divided by 6. Complete the one portion, and next portion is minus 5 by 6 into 12 by 30. We have to write the same number, minus 5 by 3 into 12 by 30. And next plus, we have to write the next portion, minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. Okay children, so denominator is same, so we have to add the numerator two numbers. Okay, so 8 plus 9 divided by 6 plus, we have to any cancel or any evaluate it, any cancel it, 5 ones are 5, 6 are, then again 3 ones are 3 fours are. So the value is minus 1 by 1 into 4 by 6 plus minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. We have to cancel it, 9 ones are, 9 threes are 27. 12 and 16 are there, so we have to cancel it in 4 tables. Okay, 4 fours are, 4 threes are 12. Then the value is minus 3 by 1 into minus 3 by 4. Okay, 8 plus 9 should be 15. Sorry, 17 by 6 plus minus into minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 by 6 plus minus 3 by 1 into minus 3 by 4. 3 3s are 9, minus into minus should be plus, so plus 9 because the same symbol, sign is same, so we have to write add, take add. So 17 by 6, so minus into plus should be minus 4 by 6, plus into minus should be minus 4 by 6 plus 9 by 4. Then, so denominator was same, so we have to write 17 minus 4 by 6 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 17 minus 4 is, we have to write 30 by 6 plus 9 by 4. Next, we have to take LCM 6 and 4. Okay. So 6 and 4 we have to take LCM. Okay. In 2 tables, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 tables, 3 2 1s are, then 3 1 1. So 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. So we have to take LCM. So 13 by 6. So 13 tables, how many times of 12? 2 times. We have to write 2. So this is obviously we have to write the denominator is 2, numerator also we have to write 2. Then is equal to 13 into 2. We have to multiply in 13 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So the value is 26 by 3 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12, sorry. Is equal to the next portion is 9 by 4. So we have to multiply, compulsory 12 is there. Okay, 4 tables are 12, how many times? 3 times. 12 3s are 12. So numerator we have to write 3, denominator we have to write 3, numerator also we have to write 3. Okay, 3 9s are 27 by 12. Okay, first we have to add the sum. 13 by 9 by 4. So what is the value of 13 by 6 is 26 by 12. Next portion is 9 by 4, the value was 27 by 12. Then denominator was same, so we have to take add 26 plus 27 by 12. We have to take a add 7 plus 6 is 30, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So the value is 53 by 12. Am I correct? So the value is 53 by 12. So we have to simplify this after long long portion, this LCM portion and division portion, multiplication portion, we have to take simplify means we have to in answer in simplify சுருக்குகன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம சுருக்கிருக்கோம். Okay, okay students, today's class is over. See you the next class. Thank you.